Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh back here. We are on whiteboard video number 3. I'd like to talk about the top 10 plus 1 announcement that I sent today with the top 10 things that you need to do. As you can see, the camera's moving here. I am trying a new feature with following my face tracking, and if it keeps going like that, I might not use it anymore, so bear with me as we go through this. So I just want to show you what I'm holding here in my right hand is I kind of love technology. When I see cool things, I just want to share this with you. This is not required to buy for the class. It's called a Boogie Board, and it's an LCD writing tablet. I found this at Staples for 40 bucks. What the deal is, it's kind of like an Etch-a-Sketch. You can write on it. It's got a little stylus. I don't know why I look like a salesman here, but you might like this. So I just, to help you keep organized, think of this as like writing to-do lists or hit lists, and as you write them down here, it shows up. I don't think you'll be able to see the video of this too good, but I'll put it up here. Maybe the camera will zoom in here and follow it. Maybe you can kind of see it here. So bear with me. I don't know, it's a little corny here. I'm trying to look at you, but so you can kind of see the writing on there. And all it does is when you're done, there's a button right up here. You push it. There's no battery needed. 50,000 times you can push it. So you might like it. 40 bucks, like I said. They also have another model that will record these as a PDF file for about $199 or something. So I just mentioned that. Okay, so let's get down to the top 10 here. I just want to spend a couple minutes here with you guys to help explain a little more details of what's in that hit list. If you follow that this week, you're off on it. You have basically signed your ticket to be all aboard on the bullet train for the summer. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on these. Number one, and I just want to make sure everybody says, well, what am I doing in an online class here? What am I supposed to do here? I'm going to try to keep you guys posted with weekly action item lists to make sure you're on here. After the first 2 weeks, you'll get the rhythm of this. You won't need them as much, but I want to make sure you feel comfortable. Sorry, I'm trying to look at you, but I wish I had students here more. I wish I could have faces here. So, but bear with me. We're going to do this. So, number one, go ahead and number one said read all the announcements. Now I know this is obvious, but please, this first week I'm going to dupe them up in both Blackboard and MyMathLab. So if you see duplications, be patient with me. I'm trying to make sure all students get these and they understand them. You must read them and follow them. Okay. So that's the key to your success. I think communication might be a tad difficult in the beginning getting started, but I believe if you read those announcements, I'm trying to make the messages clear and concise and easy to follow. Okay, number two. Now this is optional. Now most times you're required to buy a textbook. I would encourage you to buy a textbook. I like learning out of it. However, in MyMathLab, there's an electronic version of the book, and I will show this in my video coming up here when I do the MyMathLab tour. Okay, I know money's tight for many students here. You have a choice. You need to make a decision. If you want the textbook, it's $142.50. It includes the access code for MyMathLab. It's not a bad deal, and I would encourage you to have it. Okay, if you do not go that route, then you have to use a credit card for $82 and buy it that way. Now, there's a third option. I don't like this because I think the bookstore is overcharging for it. You can buy just the MyMathLab access code, but I heard it's like $104 or something. It's up to you. Okay, so, but the key thing is you must get into MyMathLab. If you're hurting for money right now, MyMathLab, when you register for the course and sign up, there's a third option that is for 7 free trial. Get on, get going, do not wait. If you wait 2 weeks to do this class and start, you're going to be toast. I promise you, you'll never make it through. Okay, so please heed my words. Okay, number three, we're going to keep rolling here. What is required is you buy a 3-ring inch or more notebook binder. Okay, this is required. I want to see all notes, all homework, all the components inside that 3-ring binder. I do not want to see any papers loose. Okay, this is an organizational skill. It's very powerful, and when you can leaf through and see your information organized, I'll give another video talking about that here shortly. You will see the power of this, and you'll thank me at the end of the semester. Okay, so let's keep going. Number 4. Okay, I usually hand out the syllabus. I go over it. I think I might do a quick video on it. Read that video. Excuse me. Read it. Read the syllabus thoroughly. Understand what I'm trying to say. Make sure you understand what the expectations are. Read it. Print it out. Okay, I'd like to see you sign the last page so that you understand everything that's being asked. Have any questions, please send me an email. One quick note, I need to make an adjustment. Do not reprint this, but the final will be on Friday, July 27th, not the Monday. I got told I'm not allowed to do that. Okay, sorry about the camera moving. So work with that, and you'll be okay. Put that in the front of your notebook so you know it's there. Also in front of your notebook for the syllabus, I want you to put a cover page and make sure your name's on it, of course, and you can put the title of the course and all that. But I really am looking for, this is something new I've been wanting to do a couple semesters. I want you to list your goals for CWI and for this class. Okay, I've already read a couple intros on the discussion board. I'm impressed by students who know what they want to go for. They're working hard, and okay, I'm sorry about the video thing going here, so hopefully it'll stay still. I think it's the last time I'll do this. So write those goals down. When you write those goals down, you're willing to share them. That means your internal commitment, that intrinsic desire, dedication, motivation is in there. I can offer so much on the external. Oops. But sorry, but you have to have it inside you. Okay, cover page, that's number 5. Number 6, watch the videos I made, the Talking Class Note videos. Get comfortable with them. Now I realize that you don't have to watch all of them here in the beginning. Try a couple. As we start getting into harder material, you'll feel comfortable and you'll know they're there to help you. Okay, WB or the whiteboard videos, that's what we're doing now. Okay, so please make that commitment to watching these here, especially this week. There's going to be several of them to get you going. I want you on board working all together in the front of the train. I'm going to draw a picture of that in my next video, I think. Okay, number 7, this is important. You must register in my math lab. I keep saying this. You got to go to www.coursecompass.com. Okay, most of you already have an account. All you got to do is hit the button in the upper top or left-hand corner to enter into another course, And the key thing you need to know is our course is called McCue, MCCUE 60326. MCCUE 60326. Again, I make the options of how you pay for it by an access code through your book or at the bookstore. Use your credit card for $82 or 3. Get going with the 17-day free trial, but you do have to pay up. If you go 17 days and don't pay up, then you're going to be hurt. I can't give you a grade unless you finish the whole course. Okay, number 8, 9, in my math lab, make sure you do all the homework and you work the homework problems in your notebook. I'm going to show a video of that. If you've done them already, I'm just looking for good effort here, but you got to get caught up and get the homework done by Sunday night, 11:59, and all the quizzes, which every week there will be 2 quizzes. Quiz 1A and 1B are due this week. Okay, now that's 8 and 9. Finally, up at the top, number 10. I called this the top 10, and then I realized I had something else to add. So number 10 was to remind you to keep looking out for more announcements. Read them, follow those instructions, and you will feel pretty comfortable about this online 108 class. Okay. And number 11, I'm really looking for students to partake in the My Math Lab discussion board. To go down the left-hand side nav bars, you will see, I forget what number it is, find discussions, click on it. Several students have already started. I've given several responses. I am committed to getting to know you all the best I can. I have taken online classes before, and I got my master's degree in education, so the discussion boards are a good way for us to get to know each other, and hopefully you'll get to know me more by the videos and me talking. Okay, hey, that's all for now. We've got about an 8-minute video in here, so Mr. McCue here trying to check out. I got to keep look at the blue dot. I keep staring at myself, so it's kind of weird. Okay, take care. I will catch you at the next video. Bye-bye.